So this is fabrication. What I'm doing here is I got a level, and they give you a whole drawing. Sorry, my face is really big. They give you a whole drawing on what they want you to do to get put into service, and you got to make sure everything is level and everything is square. That way, when they stick the bolts through here, it's all going to be fitting up. It's not going to be a waste of time, pretty much. So this one here is out a little bit, and I can't stick a wedge in the bottom. Normally I can stick one of these in the bottom and open that gap up, which it'll make it square. But when you don't do that, or if you can't do that, and you're a good hand, like a real good hand, you know, little tricks and stuff like that. So this is one of them. I'm pretty much using the heat, running the top right here first. I've got tacks to hold it right here, the one on the other side. Just making the heat pull itself to where it's squared. So it was down a little bit, and now the heat is gonna pull itself up just by running the tops first.